Now you can create multi-level assemblies in the element library. Click Action button, then add Custom Assembly and create a window. Inside the window, add all its parts. You save the window once and it's ready to use anywhere. BOM, or Bill of Materials, is a list of all the materials needed for your project. It shows what you need and how much you need. In RDash, your BOM is built from your project scope, and repeated items are merged automatically. Let's see how it works. First, click on Action button. Now you can create a multi-level assembly in my scope. You can also import an assembly directly from the element library. Choose the library, select My Window, review the items, and click Import. The complete window with all its parts is now in my scope. Next, edit the assembly. In Assembly Roll-Up Settings, turn on Budget Amount and Base Amount. The main item amounts are calculated from the part items. For item quantities, you now have two options. Open the quantity and choose your breakdown type. With Dimension Breakdown, you can enter length, breadth, height, and number of units against a line item to derive its total quantity according to the UOM of the item. With Measurement Breakdown, you can add part-wise quantities and they add up to the total. Either way, your numbers come from real values, so they stay accurate. Now you're ready to create a BOM. Select multiple items, open Bulk Actions, and choose Push to BOM. You can add the items to an existing BOM or create a new one. Let's create a new BOM. Enter the BOM name and click Create. Your BOM is now ready. Any similar items are merged automatically, so your quantities stay accurate. Now you can create an order directly from your BOM. Select the items you want to order, click on Action, and choose Create Order. Fill in the order details. The items you selected from the BOM are added automatically. Complete the remaining details, then click Create and Send. Your order is now ready to share with your vendor. In RDash, you can build a proposal for client straight from your project, control exactly what the client sees, and get it approved internally before it goes out. Let's walk through it. In the Proposal tab, you'll see all your proposals in one place. To start a new one, click Create Proposal and fill in your proposal details. Now add your items. Import them straight from your active scope. Just select the items or assemblies you need and click Import. Choose the columns you want to bring in, then click Import again, and they're added. Next, open Client View Settings. This is where you control exactly what the client sees in your proposal. You decide which columns to show for both main items and part items, so the client sees only what you want them to. Then add any attachments, your internal and external remarks, and your terms and conditions. Now, you can save it as a draft or submit it for approval. When you submit, the proposal goes to your internal approval hierarchy first based on settings. And once they approve, it's ready for the client. You can see the full approval hierarchy right inside the proposal, so you always know where is the proposal approval stuck.